Shenanigan time. Yeah. What is going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Collecting Havoc. You guys know John. I'm the host of these shenanigans, and today we're going to go on a toy hunt because it's what we do. That's right. This is a toy hunt channel. So, that being said, if you do enjoy toy-related content like toy shows, toy shops, toy hunts, all that good stuff, hit that subscribe button. Join the tens of followers of Collecting Havoc. I'd really appreciate it if you did. Also, hit the like button. It does help me grow the channel. And down in the comments, guys, what's going on? The final reviews of Yojo June were revealed. Any pre-orders for you? What are you guys thinking about getting? What are you guys finding in the stores? Anything new hitting for you guys? Let me know down in the comments. And of course, while we're doing that, we're going to go look at some toys. Nothing here yet, though. This is all regular price still. Those are kind of cool, though, the helmets. Especially if you're a racing fan, those are kind of cool. This one has some clearance deals. There you go. So, some clearance at Target. Cars, clearance wreath. And then, yeah. Usuals up here. Yeah, it's not looking anything new. And they got the music cranked in here. Don't feed after midnight. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, drafts on clearance. Star Wars, Harry Potter. We got Harry Potter on clearance. We got Galactus on clearance. We got Mario Kart on clearance. Oh, that's on clearance. Nice. Not quite there yet, but I bet you as soon as it hits 30% off, it'll clear out. Alright. Music is loud today. I never have music in here. Of course, your speeds, sales still on sale. They got the usuals, anime heroes, SH Figure Arts, Balls of the Dragon, Ninjambi, Zuru, Toothless Dragons. Yikes. Running low on everything else, though. Lonely Sci-Fi. Oh. Got Shockwave. Not bad. Liege Maximo. Swerve and Power Glide. Smokescreen Cliff Jumper. And the usuals. That's about it. And then Pokemon DC crossover. The usual. Nothing new here. Alright. Oh, clearance on Duplo. Continuing our clearance or our sale troopers, which is weird. They're not moving even on sale. Oh man. Oh, just 2 figures from 124, 3 figures from 124. You can eat the hell out of here. Yeah, dinosaurs. Oh, he's finally gone. 6-pack. I figured that'd be gone. And then all your dinosaurs. I still think that's pretty cool. That's been gone through. Manure. And then some Hot Wheels on clearance. And they don't really have much for cartooned here. Okay, RoboCop. That's it. Alright, I'm gonna hit collectibles. Monroe. Raphael, still $20. Oh, they got some of the new Bleach Pops. That's it. As usual, just Pops, Fugglers, and leftover NECA. Alright, got that. But this is the cool thing right here. Nice. And they got a couple of them. Nice. I like it. At least it's something. Well, after finding the Super Shredder, I'm not sure anything else will be any good. Blind boxes for solo leveling, Fall Guys, basketball stuff. Yep. Jurassic World, Monster Jam. Yeah, there's not much going on up here. That's kind of a bummer. Got all the good stuff up front. Whatever this is. Oh, they got a Batarang too. Got the playset, llama. That thing's kind of cool for a controller holder. And that's it. That is sadly it, but it's already a win. We found an ultimate shredder. Those things are awesome. I have all three already though. All right, cars, vans, green light. All right, there we go. Bunch of kids on the other side looking for Nito. But I found another Pantone. These things are kind of cool. Usually only find the green one, but that is actually pretty cool. But I don't see anything else here. And these have all been gone through, you can tell. But there's some newer Lego sets here. We got the brand new Dave. So that's new. It's newer. That's new, but I think I've seen those two, but those are all pretty new, except for that one. Oh wait, no, those Technics are old. Those are newer sets right there. So is the Venom. Look pretty good. Look, we got toucans, planes, helicopters, video games, robots, kitty cats and dogs, bears, oh my, sharks and raptors. Okay, whatever. We got boats that float, spaceships, garages, planes, food trucks. We got One Piece. We got llamas. We got figure packs. Animal Crossing and Jago, Minecraft. Somebody saw that at Ross, I guess, now. But I haven't seen it yet at Ross. So, there's that. Lion King, Miles Morales, Sonic. Got some Harry Potter stuff. Speed McQueen. No, I know it's Lady McQueen. Hagrid. DeLorean. Red Bull cars. Shell. Got a couple Fast and the Furious. Star Wars, cars, bots, droids, ATST, soccer jerseys, Razor Crest, Pikachu, cats, Eevee, toothless dragons, and then that's about it. Botanicals. All right. We'll go see what kind of action figure assortments they got here. Somebody's Grogu end cap got moved. Plushies, Pokemon, garbage. Minecraft, Mario. More plushies. Video game stuff. Mario Galaxy. Skibbity. All on some of it's on clearance. Got a little bit of turtle stuff. Dalsim and DJ. Got some Blades of the Bay. Yep, more. Some Powered Rangers. Mini Itty Bitty Pops. And that's about it on this side. It's got something, I guess. I don't know. DDP. Oh, Ricky Stanks. Drew McIntyre 123 and Logan Paul. I guess it does look better than the AEW figure. I'll give it that. I got some G2 Grimlocks, Old Voyagers, Blockies, Super Bowl rematch, Wheelie, and then some random bots. Oh, come on, Walmart. What are you doing? What are we doing here? Come on. That's ridiculous. And then they put it on the peg that is clearly lower. Toothless Dragons, Botosaurs, Jurassic World, Jurassic Park, Survival, Dinosaurs. We got a little bit of Motu left. It's got a couple of these little mini guys. It's cool. Plenty of Battle Cats. I think these are Origin size. Actually, it looks pretty good. Skull Knights. We got Triclops. Oh my god, Trapjaw. Nothing in Legends. Well, that's a bummer. That is a bummer, because then over here we got... Oh, we got the new one. We got Embo. He's new. We got IG-11. That's new. Oh, look. We got White Box. Oh, cool. Check that out. So we got those two. Then we got these two. So that's kind of cool. All right, let's put those back. And then we got Shakti. What else we got? Some more of those, and then the savior of the empty yep, the Lord and Savior of the empty pegs. That's right. Hardest working man in action figure entertainment. He's been on the pegs for 7 years. 7 freaking years. I don't know what I'm gonna do when he's gone. I don't know. I think it might be the end of the... I mean, it might be the first sign of the apocalypse. First sign of the apocalypse, the day the last Lando leaves the pegs. Alright. I don't know what that thing is, but it's still here. Genesis things. Wooden puzzles. These will be here for a while. It's weird. Some they clean out, and then others they just sit. But we got Doom. Looks like some will get Shadowhawk, some will have Savage Dragon. But check it out, restocks. Restocks on the Beast Kingdom Batmans. That's cool. Some Todd Father there. Statues. Gundams. Got Todd Father Turrets. Christmas Mikey. Some model kits. Blind bags, literal bags, and then a little bit of pops. Not much in terms there. So, I mean, the restock is cool. I actually wasn't expecting anybody to get a restock of those. I thought it was a one and done. So, well, a little bit. I don't think I've been here in a minute. Oh, they got the shipper here too. Look there's a ton of clearance tags. Let's see if they're going to be in our aisle, because I see a couple in Lego. Artemis, Technic, got the bots, cats and dogs living together, mass hysteria, blah 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 blah. Yep, don't feed after midnight. And then, of course, ooh, 30% off. Oh, that's still 120 bucks. Damn, must be a big boat. Rescue stuff. Star Wars. It's all about the same. Not seen anything really new. Just a couple of random clearance tags. Yeah. Triple decker. Still love that Batmobile. Pikachu, Eevee, Minecraft, and a llama. Surprised to see some of these here. Oh, we got 124 here. Parts of it. The yeet part, you can yeet out of here. It's all I found is Pumpkin J. The fact that none of these have moved, it's crazy. For that price, that's just crazy that army builders aren't moving for cheap. Usually $1 off on army builders and they're gone. But overall, it's about the same. Not too bad. Ion Dragon, that's cool. Got some squadrons, 6-pack still here, so long game's working. Yeah. Then plushies, Mario Galaxy, Pokemon, DC crossover with Sonic. Yeah, they don't have much here. Alright, let's see what else. Speed and Technics, helmets. Of course, Falcon. Oh, we still got Zartan's still here. That's cool. Got Falcon still here. Alright. Check you out. Shockwave. It's looking pretty good. Mixed Master Alpha Trion. Crossover nobody has for. Snarl. PTSD Prime. Wheeljack. That's all that's left from the new wave there. We got some Superwoman, Supergirl, whatever, Batman. 2 packs. Alright, you know what? That'll be a win, even if we don't see anything else. It's all the pops. All the pops in the world. Couple got 1 or 2 on clearance. Ooh, Zap Brannigan. Okay. The Count. Star Wars, Toy Story 5, so there's some new ones mixed in. Dragon Ball, Mophone, Super Turtle. It's old. Well, it's been there forever. Starting to hit, no, it's never going to hit Lando territory. Ooh, Ayusi. Or Asui. How do you say her name? I can't remember. Demon Slayer. That's cool. Not much else otherwise, though. Just cards. And of course, no Pokemon. Ninja Swords. Robots. Homer with the donuts. Which I have now. Thank you. I have the donuts. Bam! Check that out. We got Storm from Strange Tales. This is the first time I've seen her. And, oh, dude, only $6. Ho, ho, ho. Might have to pick that up. I want to build the 6. If you haven't read Mutant X, all 32 issues of that run, dude, read it. Really good. That's where this character comes from. But what else we got? I don't see anything else. My eyes are old, so I probably missed something. Oh, hey. Punk Mikey. Whoa. What is that? That is a third-party knockoff. But I don't know. I can't recognize the bot. That's actually pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here. But this is definitely coming home with me because I'm building the 6. Now they need to come up with everybody else in that line. Hopefully. And I better not have to wait 10 years. Ooh, hey. Oh, the good one with the soft goods.
Prime. Move that. We got 4 of these. Gotta make it another one. She was cheaper when it was on clearance, so I already have it. Bantha fodder. Spider-Man. Whiplash and bow. But that is freaking awesome. Alright, and then we already found that at the last one. Cyclops daughter. $5.50. Alright. What? Holy cow. More red? Dude, that's crazy. Huh. Okay. Shoot. We got the Roman Reigns we've been seeing. One Piece. Oh, found him again. Found him. Fennec Shand. Dude, this is a loaded frickin'. Wow. Let's see, we got turtles too. Leonardo. That's actually about what I paid for it. $30, maybe. I think I paid 20 for mine. But dude, that's just cool to see it here. Got batarangs. Man, it's a jackpot here. Too bad it's all stuff I already have though. I think that's it. Matrix of Leadership. One Piece, the big, the Barati. We got another Leo. Fugglers. One Piece statues. I knew this was gonna hit. Freaking, oh my god, what is going on here? $30? Oh, no way. Wow, that is insane. This was definitely one of the better stops we've had in a while. Look at more ones. What is that? What? No way, more good stuff? Frickin' Deckard. Wow. That's just... that is a lot. Tons of these reds. Man, I just wish I didn't have it already. But I played long game on all the turtles. I already have all those. I have all the masters. I have all the reds. But dang, it's a lot of good finds. Wow. All right, let's head home and let's discuss.
We are home, and all I can say is, holy crap. But before I talk about it, you know what you guys got to do. If you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button, join the tons of followers of Collecting Havok. Really appreciate it if you did. Hit the like button. It does help me grow the channel. And down in the comments, what are you guys finding? What are you guys pre-ordering? What is going on out there? Let me know. And holy cow, Ross. Anybody need a NECA turtle? Holy cow. We thought they were going gonzo with them before. Now we got Super Shredders. We got Shredders, Splinters, Casey Jones, Raphael in disguise. We got Punk Turtles, Black and White Turtles. We got them all. Holy cow. I mean, and they're all good sets. All those first movie sets are freaking great. I have them all. You can see the Super Shredders up there, and the Turtles are up there somewhere. But, yeah, so I already have them. But, god dang, they're great figures, too. Holy cow. Those were the figures that really got me into the NECA movie figures. Even some other NECA figures like Elf. Picked up, you know, some of the old, like, I got... do I got a Mogwai? Yes, I have a Mogwai. I have Elf. I have... the Samurai Rabbit. I can't think what else I have, but that's where my NECA figure started, was those right up there. So yeah, holy cow. But everybody else just doing their thing. Walmart and Target just kind of riding the wave, keeping stuff in stock. You got the sales going on. Oh, that reminds me, did you guys get anything from any of the sales? I have a mail call coming in tomorrow. Well, as of when I post this, it'll be today. And I'm still trying to debate if there's anything else I want to get. A lot of the stuff that was on the sale for me personally was either stuff I already have or stuff I just not on my list, stuff I didn't really need. But I don't know. Let me know what you guys did for the Prime days. They had the circle days and then the Walmart days. I don't know. Let me know what you guys picked up down in the comments. Also, we'll start getting into show season, and I'll start next week. I'll start talking about times, places, locations, stuff like that, because we got SlamCon at the world famous Bloodstorm coming up. We got summer edition of Kane County. We got the K-Town Toy Show. Those are all like 3-4 weeks in a row. So as we get closer, we'll definitely talk about those. So until then, I'll catch you guys on the next hunt.